Hey gang, Miss Hairbrush here. Today's drawing is pretty quick and easy, a dolphin with an ice cream cone. So let's get started. You will need a pencil with an eraser, as always. Where's mine? Where is my pencil? Here we go, with an eraser. A black marker or a pen, a light blue and a dark blue for the body, two different purples. I have a dark purple and a light purple, almost pink, and you'll need brown for the ice cream cone and colors for the ice cream. I have a dark pink and a light pink and a dark green and a light green. Start with your pencil. I'm going to use my black marker so you can see, and I have my tracing page from my art book so you can see how it all fits together. We're going to use dots to help guide us step by step. First dot, top right hand corner right here, go right over and make another dot, dot number 2. Then straight down from that dot, we're going to make dot number 3. So you're making a triangle of dots. This will help you make it the right size or the right proportions. You want this porpoise in proportion. Sorry. Now one big C curve that connects all the dots together. You don't have to do this with one smooth line. Do the best you can and don't worry about getting it perfect. 2 more dots for the tummy. Go diagonally about 1 inch. Don't go straight up and down, you don't want that, it's going to look weird. Go diagonally about 1 inch, make another dot. And then 1 more right beside the tail dot. Now you're going to connect these in a nice smooth S curve. There you go, good. I got some more dots for you. So you're going to draw one right in the middle, and then either sides of the tail. This just helps you space the tail out so it doesn't get too big or too small. Watch how I draw these curves here. A dolphin's tail is very curvy, nice soft edges there. Point in the middle, everything else nice and soft curves. Okay, draw the dorsal fin. Again, no sharp points. And now the face. No way to explain this shape, just have to watch. Maybe it looks like a sideways rabbit head? Not helpful. Just try your best to get it close. Pause the video if you need to. The inside of the mouth I can explain. It looks like a sideways heart. You're doing great. The eye is easy. Just 1, 2, 3. We're almost done with the drawing part already. Time for the first pectoral fin. I'll draw the ice cream cone next, and then draw the second fin around the cone. It's just like this. It's okay if you need to erase it and try it again. Learning to draw is a lot of erasing and trying again. Each time you'll get a little better. That's the only way to do it. No one sits down and makes a perfect drawing the first time they try it. I drew this dolphin about 10 times before I made this video. Okay, time to color. You can use pencils or crayons or whatever you have. I'm using watercolor brush pens, so I need a small bowl of water. Start with your lightest purple color. I told you mine's almost pink. And we're going to make a stripe along the back. Blend that in a little. You want to leave a white space at the top. Now, with the blue pen, draw a white spot on the tummy. You want to leave this part white, and the rest of the body I'm going to color in with the blue pen. How do I get started on a new drawing, you wonder? When I get ready to draw, I find some pictures to look at. This helps a lot. This is a bottlenose dolphin, the kind you usually see on TV and in movies. Isn't he cute? They just look so happy and friendly. But guess how many different kinds of dolphins there are altogether? 40! That's right, 40! And they're all cute. I checked. Did you know that killer whales or orcas are actually dolphins? I did not know that. Something I did know is that dolphins have kind of liked us humans throughout history. They've saved people from drowning and from sharks. They've helped them with their fishing. And some dolphins even work in the military and are trained to do special jobs. I just think that's amazing when humans and animals help each other and work together. Can you think of other animals that we work with? Dogs can do all kinds of work, like herd sheep, protect your home, or just be cute and cuddle. That's what they do for us, and in return we give them food and a safe place to live. My cats keep any mice out of the house when they're not busy doing nothing, and they make me happy just by laying around and snuggling with me. I pet them and feed them and take them to the vet, which they don't like, but it does keep them healthy. Okay, I'm finishing up with the base color. Time to get out that dark blue and add some shading. Shading just means you make it darker where there would be a shadow. So let's add some to the bottom of the fin here. And I like to make a few lines up here with the dark blue to make it look like the flipper is attached to his body, and a little bit underneath the flipper too. Add some under the eye and give him a little eyebrow and some smile lines so he looks happy. And then some around the nose so the nose looks round. Here are some other drawings I did to practice for this video. Oh dear, they are not as good. But I had to try some things and make mistakes so I could get better, and it worked. See how this drawing is starting to come to life with the shading? Learning how to do some shading will make your drawings look much better, and it isn't that hard to do. If yours doesn't look just like mine, that's okay. Each drawing is different and it should look like you drew it, not me. Let's add a little more shading to the tail here. This fin is behind the rest of the body, so it needs a little more shading than the other fin. So it's darker, it looks like it's further behind. I'm going to add one more stripe, real thin, like that. Use the dark blue again to fill in his mouth, or you can use black, either one. And you're going to fill in his eyeball too. Make sure you leave a little white dot on the front of the eye. We're almost done, we're almost done. Time for the ice cream. How is he holding this ice cream cone? No idea. Color the cone in with your brown. Pink for the strawberry squid. And green for the seaweed chip. Yum. Use your light colors first, and then we're going to use the darker colors to add some shading. Make this look like a waffle cone. Okay, Skipper McFlipper is all done. See you next time. Splish splashing, beach fashion. Got some seaweed in my ice cream. High jumping like a fountain. Summer vacation too. Who's counting? Who's counting? Who's counting? Summer vacation too. Who's counting?